Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Finland watching its voters closely after gas pipeline that PM says. House and Carriers Finland is watching its territorial waters very closely following explosions of two Nord Stream gas pipelines. Prime Minister Sanna Marin said on Wednesday. Marin told reporters that Finland, which shares the European Union's longest land border with Russia, considers the explosion grave news and extremely worrying. The pipelines were built by Russia and European partners. The European Union on Wednesday promised a robust response to any international disruption of its energy infrastructure after saying it suspected sabotage was behind gas leaks under the Baltic Sea. Russia has also said sabotage was a possibility. Finnish authorities and the government is watching the situation very closely. We are monitoring the situation in the Finnish economic area in our territorial waters, Marin said. The First Minister Antti Kaikkonen said Finland hadn't detected increased military activity in its Finnish sea in recent days, but keeps close contact with Nordic neighbors and NATO allies to exchange information. The government said it will move to restrict heavily the transit of Russian citizens holding tourist visas to other countries in the Seychelles region via Finland, refusing to give a date of enforcement before an official decision over the matter expected on Thursday. Finnish landowner cruising have remained among the few entry points into Europe for Russian after a string of Western countries shut both physical frontiers and their airspace to Russian planes in response to Russian invasion of Ukraine 7 months ago. Finland will also consider building a fence on parts of its 130 kilometers border with Russia, with an estimated cost of several hundreds of millions of euros. Minister of Interior Krista Mäkinen said the fence would take 3 or 4 years to build, she said. Oil up 4%, as bulls storm back in on hurricanes, crude draw and dollar crop. Investing.com, it never rains but it pours. The saying about a bunch of bad things all happening at once can be applied in the reserves too. Such was the case on Wednesday for oil bulls who caught a break from their miserable run through most of September as output shut in over a hurricane combined with friendly United States inventory data on energy and a weaker dollar to send crude prices up about 4% on the day. Bulwarks also leverage on expectation that Global Oil Producing Alliance (OPEC Plus) will announce an output cut next week to try and put an to the worst market sell-off in 2 years. New York Trade West Texas Intermediate, which serves as the United States crude benchmark, settled at 82.15 per barrel or 3.65 or 4.7% on the day. To extend Tuesday, 2.3% combined. The two-day rally put WTI up just over 4% on the week after a near 16% drop over 3 for 4 previous weeks. Brent, the London trade global benchmark for oil, settled at 89.32, up 3.05 or 3.5% on the day. After Tuesday, 2.6% again. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.